Spring has arrived, and all things are reviving. The little swallow returned to her hometown from the warm south. In China, they are known as beneficial small animals that catch pests. Also known as the messenger of spring, auspicious signs, symbols of family harmony, etc. Every spring, the school arranges observation swallows and draws pictures. So let's use Goofoo 3D printer to print swallows today, right? I am using a Mido 3D printer today. Auto leveling of inductive sensor. HIWIN industrial linear guide rail. Full aluminum alloy construction. Flexible magnetic build mat. Visual touch screen control. Completion effect.